If you're in the roofing industry, you do not want to miss this. Today, we're zeroing in on the Skydio R2 Plus drone used by Eagleview. Now, while I'd love to dive deep in all the aspects of Eagleview's practices, I have to tread very carefully. So instead, I'm going to focus on the tech they rely on and see if the Skydio 2 Plus really lives up to the hype. As a seasoned drone instructor at a major tech institute and expert with extensive field experience, I've worked with a wide variety of drones, including popular models used by major players in the industry. My hands-on experience and direct feedback from professionals in the field give me a very unique perspective on the true performance of these drones. This video is your essential guide to understanding why the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise dramatically outshines the Skydio R2 Plus, which is currently marketed under Eagleview's Assess offering. We're going to dissect the reasons why this drone might not be the best choice for your roofing needs and why it's crucial to consider alternatives. Given Skydio's recent shift to serving only enterprise clients, it's become increasingly challenging for smaller businesses or individual consumers to obtain and effectively use the 2 Plus. I have reached out to many different channels, and I simply cannot get a hold of one myself without paying way more than it's actually worth. So, although I don't have the Skydio 2 Plus in front of me, we will dive into a head-to-head comparison with the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise versus the 2 Plus. By the end of this video, you'll understand why opting for the right drone technology is crucial and why the Mavic 3 Enterprise might be your best bet. Let's not waste any more time. We need to get right to the facts so you can make the most informed decision for your business. Let's start by comparing their specs and capabilities. First up, let's talk about the ease of deployment and use, which is critical for roofers who need to quickly set up and execute inspections without extensive technical training. The Skydio 2 Plus is known for its autonomous flight capabilities, heavily relying upon its advanced artificial intelligence to navigate. This is great for straightforward tasks where quick setup and hands-off operations are valued. However, the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise is designed with professional users in mind, offering more manual control options alongside its automated features. This allows for more precise adjustments during flight, which are critical for detailed inspections where specific areas of a roof need close examination. Its user interface is also robust, designed to provide essential data and camera controls quickly and efficiently. The DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise excels with superior wind resistance and stability features, making it more reliable in varied and challenging weather conditions, often encountered during roof inspections. This reliability ensures consistent performance, which is key for roofers who operate in diverse climates. Lastly, let's discuss flight time and operational efficiency. The Skydio 2 Plus offers up to 27 minutes of flight time, while the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise can fly up to 45 minutes under optimal conditions. Longer flight times reduces the need for battery swaps and can cover more area in a single session, significantly boosting operational efficiency for busy roofing professionals. Another major point of comparison is the Mavic 3 Enterprise with its impressive 56 times telescopic hybrid zoom. So why is this important? The Mavic 3 Enterprise's hybrid zoom allows for incredibly detailed inspections from a safe distance, minimizing the risk of damage or accidents. On the other hand, Skydio's 3x digital zoom can fall short in providing the level of detail needed for precise roofing inspections. This difference can significantly impact your ability to accurately assess damage and plan repairs. Another critical feature to consider is the mechanical shutter on the Mavic 3 Enterprise. This feature drastically reduces motion blur and distortion, providing clear and more accurate images, especially when capturing fast-moving objects or operating in windy conditions. In contrast, the Skydio 2 uses an electronic shutter, which can suffer from rolling shutter effects, leading to less precise data. Accurate imagery is essential for detailed inspections and creating reliable reports. Now, depending upon what you're actually needing, the Mavic 3 also offers a thermal package. Equipped with advanced thermal sensors, this drone can detect heat anomalies on rooftops, identifying potential issues like insulation problems, moisture intrusion, or electrical faults that aren't visible to the naked eye. The Skydio 2 Plus lacks these thermal capabilities, which can be a significant drawback for a comprehensive inspections. Thermal imaging can provide critical insights that enhance the accuracy and thoroughness of your inspections, ultimately leading to better maintenance and repair decisions. Another leg up in the Mavic 3's favor is the ability to capture high-resolution images at 0.7-second intervals. This means it can take more pictures in less time, ensuring that you get comprehensive coverage and highly detailed data quickly. The Skydio 2 Plus doesn't match this rapid image capturing capability, which can result in longer inspection times and potentially missing critical details. High-resolution images captured in quick successions are crucial for thorough inspections and accurate analysis. The Mavic 3 also has a larger field of view, which means it can even cover more area per each one of those individual snaps. I think you guys are getting the point. So, in conclusion, while the Skydio 2 might be suitable for general applications, the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise's features like its extended flight time, superior image quality, and enhanced environmental reliability make it a more suitable choice for professional roofing inspections. These practical capabilities ensure that roofers can conduct thorough and efficient inspections, ultimately saving time and increasing job safety. So, when considering a drone for professional use, cost effectiveness isn't just about the purchase price. It's about the overall value it brings to your business. The Skydio 2 Plus, while potentially less expensive upfront, may incur higher long-term costs due to its limitations and versatility and the additional equipment needed for specialized tasks. In contrast, the Mavic 3 Enterprise, though possibly a higher initial investment, is designed with the versatility to handle various payloads and cameras. This adaptability allows roofers to customize the drone for different types of inspections, such as thermal imaging or high-resolution mapping, making it a more cost-effective solution in the long run. Support and accessibility are paramount for professionals who rely upon their equipment daily. With Skydio focusing mainly on enterprise clients, obtaining the 2 Plus and its parts can be challenging for small businesses or independent contractors. This limitation can lead to delays and increased downtime when repairs or replacements are needed. The DJI brand, however, offers extensive global support, including easier access for repairs, parts, and customer service. This extensive support network ensures that any issues can be addressed quickly, minimizing downtime and keeping your operations running smoothly. Adaptability to specific roofing needs is another crucial factor. The Skydio 2 offers excellent autonomous flying capabilities, which is beneficial for straightforward open area surveys, but might lack the precision required for detailed roof inspection involving complex structures or materials. The DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise excels here with its advanced sensor options and adjustable settings, which allows for detailed inspections of roofing materials, angles, and structures. This precision is essential for identifying potential issues early and accurately, thereby preventing costly repairs. Operational efficiency and how well the drone integrates into existing workflows is something that also cannot be overlooked. The DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise, with its longer flight time and robust design, is built for extended use in the field. Its compatibility with a variety of mapping and inspection software also means it can seamlessly integrate into your workflows that many roofing professionals already use, enhancing the productivity without requiring significant adjustments to its current processes. Many have expressed preferences or concerns regarding American versus Chinese-made drones. Skydio, which is an American company, has taken an aggressive stance in the drone market, not by innovating or improving their products, but by attempting to sideline their competition through political channels. Remarkably, Skydio has ramped up its lobbying efforts substantially, boosting its budget from a modest $10,000 with 6 lobbyists in 2019 to a whopping $560,000 with 24 lobbyists in 2023, as reported by OpenSecrets.org. This isn't about leveling the playing field. It's about clearing it. Their strategy focuses on pushing for regulations that could restrict Chinese manufactured drones, which many see as an attempt to monopolize the market through legislation rather than direct competition. In stark contrast, Anzu Robotics has chosen a path of innovation by licensing technology from DJI directly. This partnership allows Anzu to build on DJI's advanced hardware, enhancing it with their own software tailored to meet American standards. Their production takes place in Malaysia, avoiding the direct political and security controversies associated with Chinese manufacturing, and is completed in the United States, where the software integration actually occurs. Anzu's approach underscores a commitment to enhancing product capability and addressing market needs through technological advancement, not through restrictive practices. They ensure that their drones not only meet but exceed the stringent requirements of American users concerning data security and operational efficiency. This contrast between Skydio and Anzu's strategy provides a clear insight into the current dynamics of the drone industry. While Skydio opts to lobby for a less competitive environment, potentially stifling innovation, Anzu moves forward by adapting and enhancing existing technology to better serve their customers. For roofing professionals and tech enthusiasts, these distinctions are critical. They not only impact the availability of advanced tools, but also the integrity of market competition that drives technological progress. Let's dive into why the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise is particularly suited for the rigorous demands of professional roofing inspections. One of the standout features of this drone is its advanced imaging capabilities. The Mavic 3 Enterprise features a sensor that is over 400% larger than the one in the Skydio 2 Plus. This significantly larger sensor can capture much higher resolution images, which is crucial for detailed inspections that need to identify small defects such as cracks, blisters, or inadequate flashings on roofs. Additionally, the advanced camera system offers flexible exposure settings, allowing for optimal image quality under a variety of different lighting conditions, a common challenge in roofing inspections. While exceptional camera technology is crucial, it's only as good as the drone's ability to perform under all operational conditions. The Mavic 3 Enterprise shines here as well. Designed for professional use, it features an enhanced flight stability system that maintains steady flight even in less than ideal weather conditions. This drone can handle wind speeds up to 12 meters per second, around 27 miles an hour, which is significantly higher than what the Skydio 2 can manage. This means that roofers can rely on it to deliver consistent, reliable data during crucial inspections without the interruptions that may be experienced with less capable drones. Many roofers have ventured into drone technology with subpar experiences, often using drones like the Skydio 2 Plus, and have come away with the impression that drones just aren't effective for roofing. This misconception arises not from the technology itself, but from not having used drones that are specifically tailored for such detailed work. The Mavic 3 Enterprise changes that narrative by demonstrating what a high-quality, purpose-built drone can achieve. If you've been disappointed by previous drone experiences, it's likely because you haven't seen what a good drone looks like. To truly understand the capabilities of the Mavic 3 Enterprise and see how it can transform roofing inspections, I highly recommend checking out our live demonstration video. This isn't just about telling you what a drone can do, it's about showing you the incredible benefits it offers in real-world applications. If you're a roofer looking to integrate drone technology into your inspections, don't settle for less. The DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise offers the imaging quality, stability, and reliability that professional roofing work demands. See for yourself the difference it can make by watching our demonstration. It's time to elevate your roofing inspections to the next level with technology that's built to exceed your expectations. Watch this video.